Hey, welcome back to part 3. So as I was saying about the whole little butt plug thing that they have, the butt plug I think is probably one of the most useless and stupidest things that they made. Why is it useless and stupid? We'll see why it's useless in a minute here. But why is it stupid? Because the action base that it goes on can only be a Tamashii Nation, what they call it just a Tamashii, stage at 5. Where are you going to find a Tamashii stage at 5 base? Those things are kind of hard to find. I mean, you can find Gundam Master Base 3, Gundam Master Base 4, Gundam Master Base 5 everywhere. There's just tons of them flooded online from every single place, from Amazon, eBay, Highland Japan, Gundam Planet, Mind Phoenix Hobby Store, and so on and so forth. From GameStop and stuff, online and stuff, Sometimes even like in one stores, like at the mall or something, you can find them. But Tamashii Nation, stage at 5, yeah, good luck with that. Because you really are going to need a good luck. So let's get this thing opened up. Let's get our Gundam out. Oops, I almost forgot about these little fellers right there. There you go. So let's clean it up. There you go. That's all the parts that you get. So first off, let's go with the beam Magnum. Well, for one thing, it looks pretty cool. I love how it's kind of detailed. It even has like green metallic paint for the camera right there, which is pretty awesome. Now, can anything come out with the sides here to kind of give like grip to hold on to? Nope. Because remember in the show, it came out, the little hand came out on the side and kind of hold it like this way, like that, and then grab it like sideways like this, and he did like his shot. Yeah. No removable magazine, which is kind of a real big down on there. That you doesn't have a removable magazine, which is like boo. Yeah. Now, if we compare the two Gundams, the Unicorn Gundam, Beam Magnum, with the Wing Gundam Buster Rifle, I'll have to say the Buster Rifle is going to win in pure power. Now, the Buster Rifle can only carry 3 charge shots before it needs to reload, while the Beam Magnum, is that what they call this bit here? I don't know, let me let it in a little instruction booklet. Yeah, Beam Magnum. This can carry 5 shots in its detachable magazine, which we didn't even know at the time that we had a detachable magazine. But yeah, it has that. But here's the thing. When it charges up, there's this big ball type of spear at the end of the barrel. And then it releases it as a charge shot. And it takes quite a while for it to charge up. Which is like, say what? Kind of almost the time that it takes for the Buster Rifle to charge up. But the output is different. Like I said, Buster Rifle delivers a much stronger output that definitely, it just deserves the name of Buster, because it busts anything that beam hits. Of course, that only holds 3 shots, but when you got a thing that can pretty much destroy anything that the beam hits, you're okay with a 3 shot. While this thing holds 5 shots, and it'll take about maybe 2 to 3 shots to just somewhat equal out to the power of one shot from the Buster rifle that the Wing Gundam uses. Yeah, try to figure that out. So this one carries 2 more shots, but they really won't do any damage to the Wing Gundam. Considering that the Wing Gundam's pilot actually is a military pilot. He had military training. So he'll know how to maneuver his Gundams a lot more. But plus he had hand-to-hand combat, and he has long-range capability combat. So he could use his saber, his shield, his gun. He knows how to use flight and transformation. You know, because some of his Gundams did actually transform. So I'll say when it comes down to it, the only way that he could use it is if he went pure crazy and released the true power of the Cycle Flames. How Bernard Jolene could win against Unicorn, not Unicorn, against Wing Gundam. Other than that, no. So let's get on to the hands. Here is the right-handed trigger finger, and here is the left hand holding. So let's actually go with the hilts first. Here's the hilts. Here's the beam. Kind of reminds us of the old school ones that we had here in America for, the Gundams when they first came out. Like was the Gundam Wing series. We had them. They're all one color, and you had to paint them to match what's on the box. So if it had green, you had to go out and find green paint and paint the white plastic green. If it had this pink, you have to go out and find pink paint or mix white with red to get the strawberry Nesquik pink color or beam thing. There. And then you just pop it in like that. And it's like that. You can put it in the holding hand. Just wiggle it in there a bit. Like that. Now you want to have that little point right there pointing forward. So that always goes forward. Of course, let me pull this out, and this one's actually kind of tight. So let me pull that out first. You could also have it hold it in the other hand. If I put it in the right way. And connect it. So see. Now the gun, it's going to be a little bit more tricky to get that into the hand here. So what you want to do is have to hold the hand and push it in like this, kind of slide, and then turn it into it. And then just push the little trigger finger forward a bit. And that's how it holds gun. Of course, you take the beam, and now it looks like shooting out the beam. I would have to do the charge effect with that big energy spear that kind of forms at the end of the barrel. Then this whole take the beam and put it on the end just doesn't really work that great. Here's a shield. Shield does not transform, which is kind of downer, and the whole gun doesn't transform, which is also a downer. So here's kind of how it is. This one is the only one that they actually colored in the head Valkyns right there and there. Except the head Valkyns are really, really small in this Gundam. Definitely got those big long unicorn V-fin. Head can turn around 360 degrees. Up, down that far, side to side, about that much. Arms could rotate there. Shoulder does move there. Arms cannot really move that much. You have the wrist joint there. rotation there. Hands can move in and out. And it looks like you do have something stuck on in here. Oh my god, they gave you Esther beam handles. But they're not completely the same. Can you see a difference here? They're the same ones, but they just don't have that little extra piece of plastic on the bottom. So these are supposed to be the true beam sabers, and these are supposed to be the ones that's designed to go into kind of like the forearm. Which it doesn't matter, just as long as you line up that little hole part in there. I think that's the way how I did it. Nope, my mistake. You want the little hole to actually go to the top of the shoulder. Aha, there is a certain way. And then it will snap in there in place, see? Hole going to the top of the shoulder. Waist, kind of air crunch, move to the side. It doesn't really have much articulation. Legs go up. Back. Side. Skirts, side skirt actually just pads on there. But it does kind of have like the standard pad port, Kind of reminds me of an actual Gundam for this one. Where you just put it in there so it can go forward and back and stuff. So let's move that a little bit better there. Knee can bend about that much. Can't really bend that much because due to this plastic back here. A little bit of ankle and toe tilt or articulation, and that's about it. Let's pop off the hands that it has, which is just the crow's fist.